they're actually growing faster than a company like Amazon, which is the number one.
Which tech giant is going to round out this list of the top 4 magnificent 7 stocks to finish out the year?
Well, I think we're looking here at Alphabet. And one of the things that it's really interesting about what's happening with Alphabet right now is they seem to have maybe the most catalysts of any of the Mag 7. I think they're the third largest cloud provider in the US, but they're actually growing faster than a company like Amazon, which is the number one. So I think that's interesting. They've relaunched Gemini as their generative AI solution, and that seems to be going well as opposed to the launch earlier this year. So this is and let's not forget that they're still the unquestioned leader in ad revenue. So this is a company that they seem to have had some hiccups to start the year, but they've overcome those. It's climbing higher. Investors seem to be jumping in with it. This is one that I think looks to be a strong performer in the second half.
Yeah, so you mentioned catalysts, and you mentioned Gemini as one of those catalysts. What other catalysts are you talking about here?
Oh, well, I was mentioning about their cloud business. They're growing their cloud business actually faster than Amazon is growing AWS, and Google is, in terms of market share, they're a distant third to Amazon and Microsoft, but they're growing their market faster than either of those two.
Yeah. I see Google as another company that's particularly well positioned for the second wave of AI. Their two businesses go hand in hand. It is the foundation of the internet in many ways. It's foundational for AI, but that also plays into its primary business, which is ad search and operating the internet. So those two things should really drive growth over the coming year.
Well, as we've talked about today, it's already been a great year for the Mag 7 stocks. We'll continue to watch what the rest of the year has in stores. For all of these picks on marketbeat.com. For now, happy investing.